What if your next coworker isn't human, but it doesn't just answer questions? It actually does your work? Yep. Microsoft's new AI boss just dropped some serious clues about how the future of work is about to change forever. And trust me, you're not ready for what's coming. Mustafa Suleyman isn't just any tech executive. This guy co-founded DeepMind, the team that built AlphaGo and helped Google race ahead in AI. Then he launched Inflection AI. And now? He's the CEO of Microsoft AI, leading one of the most powerful AI efforts on the planet. In this video, we're diving deep into Suleyman's bold vision for the future of work, how AI is evolving, and why your job, yes, yours, might look very different sooner than you think. Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll understand why Suleyman believes AI won't just support us at work. It might soon run the workflows entirely. If you're curious about the future and what role you'll play in it, this is the video you need to see. 1. Why Microsoft hired Mustafa Suleyman. Let's start with the billion-dollar question. Why did Microsoft bring Suleyman in? This is a guy who could have gone anywhere. But according to him, Microsoft's history is what pulled him in. Microsoft has successfully navigated every major tech shift in the last 50 years. Think about it. PCs, the internet, cloud computing, productivity tools like Word and Excel, then Teams, and now it's AI. And Suleyman says the next era is the co-pilot agentic AI companion era. Translation? AI that doesn't just sit back and give you suggestions, it actively helps you work. Show visual, co-pilot overlay on Word Excel, AI moving through a user interface autonomously. This isn't just spell check on steroids. We're talking full-blown digital assistants that can learn your habits, click through your apps, complete tasks, and even decide what to do next. Imagine having a tireless, insanely smart coworker that never sleeps, never takes coffee breaks, and never forgets a deadline. Let me know in the comments, what task would you hand off first to an AI coworker? 2. From AGI to real-world AI, Suleyman has shifted his focus from chasing artificial general intelligence, that sci-fi dream of an AI that can do everything a human can, to something much more practical. Artificial capable intelligence. What's the difference? AGI is theoretical, it's vague. And honestly, it's the kind of thing that keeps philosophers and Reddit threads up at night. But capable intelligence? That's real. That's measurable. That's AI that actually gets stuff done today. Suleyman argues that the AI we already have, like GPT-4, Claude, Gemini, they're not just cool toys. They're already powerful systems because they can use tools. Just like humans became smarter by using hammers, calculators, or even Google, AI becomes exponentially more useful when it can access databases, APIs, calendars, spreadsheets, you name it. This meta-capability of tool use is the game changer. It's what makes LLMs more than just chatbots. And it's why Suleyman believes the age of copilots and AI companions is just getting started. Open loop, but wait till you hear what he says about hallucinations. That's coming up. 3. Why AI isn't hitting a wall. You've probably heard people say, AI is slowing down, or we've hit the limit of what these models can do. Suleyman calls BS on that. According to him, AI development isn't hitting a wall. It's just learning to climb smarter. Bigger and smaller? Yep. We're seeing huge models being trained with smarter, more efficient techniques. Stuff like model distillation and AI-to-AI feedback loops, where one AI helps improve another. Think of it as model mentorship. Show visual. AI models training smaller versions of themselves, like a coach guiding a student. And the results? Models that are faster, cheaper, and more specialized, without losing power. This means AI won't plateau. It'll keep leveling up in weird, unexpected ways. Remember when everyone thought Moore's Law was dead? Same vibes. If you're enjoying this breakdown, smash that like button. It helps more than you know, and lets us keep covering these game-changing tech shifts. 4. Hallucinations aren't bugs, they're features. Here's the controversial take. Suleyman doesn't think hallucinations are bad. Wait, what? Yep. He calls the term misleading. What people call hallucinations, when AI makes stuff up, Suleyman sees as adaptive fuzziness. Let me explain. Imagine you ask a coworker a tough question. They might take a best guess based on what they think they know. AI does something similar. It doesn't just regurgitate facts, it generates responses based on probabilities and context. But here's the kicker. We're now learning how to control it. With citations, retrieval augmented generation, RAG, and better grounding, these so-called hallucinations are becoming more like creative approximations, useful, flexible, and getting smarter every day. Show visual. Comparison between old AI hallucinations versus new AI grounded responses with citations. Pretty soon, your AI coworker might give you answers with linked sources and actually explain why it thinks that's the right call. So, is that still a bug? Or is it evolving intelligence? Drop in the comments if you've made it this far, because now we're diving into the part everyone wants to know. 5. AI and the future of your job. Suleyman doesn't sugarcoat it. I will absolutely transform the nature of work. But here's the twist. He doesn't see it as job replacement. He sees it as job transformation. Just like electricity replaced candles, but also created a million new industries, AI will automate repetitive tasks, but it'll also create demand for workflow designers, prompt engineers, AI ethicists, data supervisors, human-in-the-loop roles. The key is adapting faster than the tech. Show visual. Time-lapse of office jobs evolving from typewriters to desktops to laptops to remote AI tools. And if you're thinking, my job can't be replaced by AI, ask yourself this. What percentage of your tasks are repetitive, rules-based, and digital? If that number's high, it might be time to start upskilling. Let me know in the comments. Do you see AI as a threat or an opportunity in your line of work? 6. A new era for software companies. Suleyman calls this an electric time for software companies. Why? Because the barriers to building are now microscopic. You don't need a massive team to launch a tool or service. With the right prompts and an AI assistant, a solo developer can do what used to take 10 engineers. But that also means way more competition. The challenge now isn't building. It's building something that lasts. Suleyman says creating long-term moats will be harder than ever. If you're a founder or a startup nerd, this is your wake-up call. Innovation is cheap, but stickiness is the new gold. Pro tip, focus on community, UX, and trust. Those are the new moats. 7. What's coming next from Microsoft AI? So, what's Microsoft cooking up next? Suleyman's current favorite tools are conversational learning with Copilot, where AI remembers, adapts, and evolves as you interact with it. Copilot Vision, AI that can see your world and help in real time. But the real mic drop moment? Copilot Actions, coming soon. AI that can navigate interfaces and complete tasks autonomously. That's right. You say, book me a flight to New York next Thursday, and your AI actually goes into your browser, finds the right site, clicks the buttons, and confirms it, without you touching a thing. Visual, AI navigating a screen, filling out forms, and confirming a purchase. We're talking Jarvis-level stuff here, folks. And it's real. It's happening now. What's been the most surprising part of this vision to you? Let me know down in the comments. I read everyone. And hey, if you're as fascinated by this AI revolution as I am, hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives like this one. So here's the bottom line. Mustafa Suleyman isn't selling science fiction. He's building practical AI that will change how we work, think, and create. From redefining what intelligence even means, to transforming your everyday apps into intelligent agents, the future of work isn't coming. It's already here. And if Microsoft gets it right, your next coworker might be the smartest, fastest, most efficient digital sidekick you've ever met.